What's up, guys? It's been a while since I tried these Blizzard treats, and now here's the flavor. Salt Sea Toffee Fudge Blizzard. See? Look at that. Really yummy. Let's give this a try, shall we? Yummy. It tastes like sea salt toffee with some chocolate fudge right here. These are really good. It's one of the yummy treats that I ever tasted. Tastes good and crunchy. Delicious. So guys, I highly recommend it. Try this Blizzard. It's yummy and delicious. It has the best ice cream in the world. So anyways, guys, what do you think about this Blizzard? And what do you want me to try next of the next Blizzard flavor? Let me know what do you think in the comments section below. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.